Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today we are celebrating Pongal. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated in South India. And the new rice that we harvest from the field, it is cooked with the sweet rice and offer it back to God. For today, I'll be making the sweet rice as how in the temples is been served. So without further delay, let us go into the kitchen. And for those who are wondering what is the next dish which is next to it, it is a temple Sundal or Kovil Sundal, and I will share the link in my description box below. Please do not forget to watch that. And also I would like to wish our Tamil speaking people Pongal Nal Valthugal Thai Pirundal Vali Pirakkam. Thai Pirundal Vali Pirakkam means when the month of Thai is born, there are directions and route opens up for us in our life. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen to see how this Pongal is to be made. To begin our temple Pongal or the Kovil Pongal, and we have to start by melting the ghee, and for this I'll be using some ghee, which is approximately about 2 tablespoons. And we will wait until the ghee is melted. And as the butter is been melted or the ghee is melted, we will roast the cashew nuts. We will roast until it becomes golden brown. As the color changes, as we are roasting, the color changes, this can be removed now. Our next ingredient is the golden raisins. And we will roast them until it fluffs up and it becomes like a balloon. So until then we'll just continue roasting, and then we'll remove this. And the raisin is already fluffing up, and so very soon we can remove this in a second or two, and yes, we can remove it now. And with the same ghee, we will roast the Moong Dal. So I have some here, and I'll just scrape it down. And we will roast them until there's a fragrance comes out. Until the raw fragrance goes off. As the nutty aroma rises, and it's time to remove the Moong Dal. And I'm using the same container on which I removed. And in the same pan, we will add another tablespoon of ghee and let it melt. And we will roast the rice. I have taken raw rice which I washed, and now it's time to roast the rice. And for Pongal, is always raw rice or the new rice is used. It's a harvest festival, and it is the first fruit that we offer it to God. And it's the same thing in every crop that we plant, and the first fruit we always offer it to God. And in this video recipe, the raw rice is used, and it will be offered to God in a later part. And dear viewers, Our rice is roasted, and so now I'm going to put this at the back burner. And now we are going to pressure cook the rice and the dal together. So we will add the roasted rice first, and the dal goes in. And now we will add the water, and also along with water we will add some milk. Along with that we will add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and give it a quick mix. And this now we will pressure cook for approximately about 4 whistles on medium high. Always be cautious when you are locking your pressure cooker. Make sure there is no gap anywhere and tighten it. And finally we will add the weight on top of it. While the rice is being in the pressure cooker being cooked, we will melt the jaggery. And with this is 3/4 cup, and I'm adding some water, approximately about 1/2 cup, and let it melt. Until then we will wait for the rest of the thing. Our sugar is already been melted, so and also we can transfer this into a bowl, but we have to strain this for impurities, and I will be straining it as I have a strainer over here. And that's it, and you could see the impurities, not much, but still there is some. So this can be discarded, and we will do the next step. Our rice and dal is been cooked well. The ladle, you can just mash it just a little. We don't need all. And then we will transfer this into a bigger bowl pot, which is a thick, heavy bottom. Then we will cook the next process. So this is we could mash a little bit more, and with this we will add the golden raisin and the roasted cashews. Mix it together. And at this stage we can also add a little bit more of ghee. I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee at this moment. And now, since we have already cooked the rice and everything and roasted the raisins and the nuts, and now we can add the jaggery. And we will mix it, the melted jaggery, and also we will mix it, and we will bring it to a boil until it gets thickened. Always remember, the sugar, the sweetness is to be added in the last, because if you add in the beginning, the process of cooking will stop. So we will let it thicken, and we will add the next ingredient. And now it's already getting a little thicker, but not really, so we will wait until it gets a little slightly thicker. But if it's not, it's fine. Even at this stage we can stop the cooking process, and we can add the rest of the ingredients. And at this stage, dear viewers, we can turn off the stove, and we will add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. If you are not sure how to make cardamom powder, I will list the link below. You can watch that video. These are my previous video that I made in my initial stage. You can watch that video. And now we shall also add a little bit of the pacha karpuram or the cooking camphor, approximately this much, and we can just crush it with our hands and into a powder form and mix it up. At this stage, mix it up well, and our pongal is ready. And with this we can also add a little bit more of ghee. And that's it, my dear viewers. Our pongal is ready. It's also buttery, and if you don't like it to be buttery, you can omit as much as you want the butter, but this is how it has been made. And dear viewers, we have come to our final part of our video, which is our pongal. And I also have some sundal, which is a temple sundal, also a Kovil sundal, which you can find the recipe in my link in my video list, and I will place a link for that too, to how to make that. And this is my temple pongal or rice, sweet rice and sundal. And so I wish everyone a happy Pongal. And before I go, I just would like to tell everyone thank you very much for watching this video, and also if you haven't subscribed it, please do subscribe. It will help me too, and also you spread the word around by sharing this video to everyone. So give a try in your home, and we will make more different kind of pongals during the month of Thai. So see you soon. Bye bye. Pongal nal valtugal ellarukkum.